Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to draw Lily of the Valley. So let's start. First of all, draw a big leaf. Now draw a stem. Okay, so this is the stem. Now start drawing the flowers, lily of the valley, small flowers. Look how beautiful these flowers are looking. Lily of the valley. Okay, so our drawing of lily of valley flower is complete. Now let's start coloring. First of all, color the leaf behind the flowers. Now color the stems. Now do a little highlight in the flowers. And our lily of the garden drawing is complete. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.